Okay, hello, good evening, and good afternoon to all of you American people who lives in all 50 states of America. This is Fernando Patino once again. What I have here in my hands, this is a 2023 American Eagle 1 ounce silver uncirculated coin from United States Mint. And I'm gonna have to talk about it, first about these coins because these coins are absolutely, really real, authentic. So here, what I unboxed from the mint, it's the United States Mint, authentic, silver coin. By the way, you have a pretty shine on this coin. By the way, here you have the American bald eagle as well. It is a precious metal, that you can see on the valuable stuff. By the way, and the this coin is not really, like a counterfeit because you have to be careful when you go straight to the flea markets, with a lot of people selling them all the time. And I've been searching on Google that we have to be careful with counterfeit coins because when I was absolutely a teenager back in 2015, I never had one of these before. Here's the capsule that came also with the coin as well. This is really authentic coin, by the way. Let me give you an advice to all of you American collectors, including all of you Australian collectors. Do you like to collect American gold or silver American Eagle coins, by the way? Because, but in the box it came a certificate of authenticity that says certificate of authenticity 2023 American Eagle 1 ounce silver uncirculated coin. It says the United States Mint certifies that this is a new coin minted and issued in accordance with the Public Law 9961. This coin was minted by United States Mint and is legal tender of the United States. The director of the United States Mint is Ventris Gibson. And by the way, the United States Mint has this certificate of authenticity. Here is the American Eagle image also that you can see on the coin as well. It's the same image. If you want to take a look very closer, these kind of U.S. Mint coins are very, very unique. Because let me give you some advice. And one more thing about the coins, by the way. Let me read the rest of the circulate about this uncirculated coin. The denomination is about $1 uncirculated, 99.9% silver, diameter 1.598 inches, 40.60 millimeters, 1.0001000 troy ounce, rated West Point, New York, mint mark West Point. So the mint mark is a W. So it bears okay. So it features everything we have. We do have a lady, and we have everything that we have here. I'm not going to read it, or maybe a bears features a refreshed depiction of Adolph A. Wayneman's full-length figure of Liberty in full stride enveloped in folds, flag with her right extended and branches of laurel and oak in her left. The mint returned its original historical assets to render a closer reflection of Weinman's original version and detail. Features an eagle as approaches landing carrying an oak branch as it added to a nest. Inscriptions are United States of America e pluribus unum, 1 ounce, fine silver, and $1 coin artist Adolph A. Weinman, 1870, 1952, Emily Damstra, artistic infusion program designer, Michael Guadacio, metallic artist. To preserve the beauty of your own coins, store them in a cool, dry place. But they don't. But let me give you some examples of the advice here. They do not give you anything else when you buy these kinds of coins. By the way, when uh when you get these kind of coins, by the way, you don't get anything what you have here at the box with the advice about the warning between because the counterfeit because let me give you some explanations about the coin. Number one, you have to be careful of why you're purchasing a real coin. Number two, I do not recommend you to buy a counterfeit coin from online from Wish or eBay. Neither also, I do not recommend you to buy a coin from American Eagle like this one, counterfeit from counterfeiters, from China, all over the world. Don't buy it from a flea market because let me give you an example. If you buy one of these that are counterfeit and not in its original status, you might see counterfeit designs in a coin. So let me give you some explanation about the counterfeits in Google. Let me open the Google navigator. I mean the website navigator. All right. So here is an explanation about this product, by the way. It says the ACF counterfeiting battles continue to in May. So this is a counterfeit, 2013 coin. Let me give you the explanations here. For any YouTuber who knows about coins, please leave me a comment. What do you think about these issues with counterfeit with the coins? Because I don't really like, having a counterfeit coin. No, it's too illegal. But I like real coins because it saves, life from, being counterfeit, by the way. Because let me tell you something why. I don't recommend you to buy any counterfeit coins at all. Because here's all the information. They cut every a half of a piece of this coin. By the way, they like to, you know, show us because it looks just like a real coin. But this is absolutely, bad news, for all of the problems here because every counterfeit coin is considered absolutely illegal. It says the Anti Counterfeiting Education Foundation allows us to prevent and prohibit the counterfeiting of the American Eagle silver coins, including the gold ones, because you can see the image of the coin that says do not counterfeit because you can't counterfeit. It is illegal because it is. A fraudulent advertisement for bullion coins on Facebook for fake capsulation holders and request help from federal agencies. This is absolutely very seriously. This is not really beautiful news. This is absolutely bad news. All of this in the Google internet, it's bad news. These are absolutely fake and these are not real coins. These are absolutely images of counterfeit coins, counterfeit by people from China, including also manufacturers. I'll give you the description from the United States Mint website. You have to go straight to the United States Mint.gov just so that you can purchase your real coins. So, by the way, this is absolutely authentic, the website. So, this will save you, Americans and Australians, to protect you from counterfeiting. And also, you can buy the coins at the United States Mint website and you can open an account so that you can order yours also as you wish because you can add this, you go straight to the register, you open an account, and you go straight to the United States Mint, and then you add your coin to the cart. So here's a lot of issues about these coins, by the way. Look at all those counterfeit coins. Most of them, they're all seized and fake. They have them all seized by Customs and Border Protection. That is why in the United States Postal Service they haven't investigating them. A female officer from CBP has been inspecting them and they are having a lot of issues. So, next time if you want to purchase a coin from the United States Mint, don't buy them in any website from China. Don't buy them from the flea market, neither from Texas. All of you coin collectors who lives in Paris, Texas and Pekin Gap, Texas, this video is dedicated to all of you people from around the world. Dubai. Make sure that you can help me out, people from Dubai and also from Egypt, United Arab Emirates. Everyone, everyone is welcome to this video, by the way. I don't have anything to say because, that's the truth. When you buy one of these coins from the mint, it has to say United States Mint. Also, the same as this. This is the new box. Mm-hmm. So this is how it looks. So remember, make sure you can buy these. These are really cool. Let me give you some explanations. There's two type of coins here. One, there is also proof coins that are proof sets, by the way. Because they give you the box and also a storage case so that you can keep them as authentic. Because let me give you this one more advice. When you get a coin like this, make sure don't buy them in flea markets, neither with coin sellers who have a lot of counterfeit coins, because make sure to ask them if they're real. When you go buy them at the flea market, make sure you can make me some good comments, because I'm talking about, American coins. Right here I have some circulating coins from also pennies. Um these coins are also from the mint. These are Thomas Jefferson, and Abraham Lincoln pennies. But these are all circulated pennies, but you don't have to collect them. This is transaction money. Yeah. So I will have to give this information to you. You have to be very careful of what you buy. A lot of coins from every kind of illegality, because there is a lot of illegal products that you can see. So you see all of the bad news that that the websites from all news media controls, they give this information to you. When you buy these coins, don't get yourself into uh confused things that you might say, no, I'm getting myself a real coin, but online from Chinese merchants. Don't get that stuff, by the way. Flea market. So you have to make sure. Don't you get these cheap American Eagle silver coins, by the way. If you see the word cheap, this is absolutely what they called, counterfeit. You have to be careful with the Chinese scams, as also because. So this is absolutely what they're giving to you, an advice. you have to be careful. So don't go near and do not buy these coins, by the way, because when you check this on online in the news, you will might see a lot of these counterfeit problems. All of these bad news are from all American people who has been buying them for so many years. When they tell you about the fakes one, just don't get them and don't. So this the one on the left is real, like mine's as well. The other one is absolutely fake silver eagle in the right. So this is fake in red, this is real in blue. Y'all did knew that these coins have been, counterfeited a long time. It is a federal offense. So, um, there you have it. So there you have it all the time. Counterfeit coins from American Eagle and also to Morgan and also Peace dollars as well. When you watch the television, don't buy them neither on television because most of the television people that are not unauthorized sellers and coin dealers will take your money. I suggest you to go to www.unitedstatesmint.gov and do not get these coins fake. Get them real because the United States Mint will offer you a, a free account. You can also have a certificate of authenticity, and also you will also have also an original capsule, and also a good box as well. So anyway, I will put the coin back in the box. Please make sure subscribe to the channel of YouTube. God bless you, and I will see you next time in another video. Goodbye, signing off. Make good comments, and make sure all of you Americans and also Australians from around the world, please make sure to give a display review about this product. God bless you. Have a good morning day to all of you Australian people from Sydney, New South Wales, and Western Australia, and Victoria, Australia, and the rest of the world. God bless you.